Welcome to the American Dream Planner Quick Training. The focus of this session is to introduce you to the software itself. After you've installed the software, you can open up the sample client. All clients will be listed in a grid. Selecting the client, you can either double-click or click the button to open the file. An unlimited number of scenarios can be created for each client. In this case, we'll go to the retire early scenario. And this now discloses the unique display of the American Dream Planner. All of the inputs are on the left side of the screen, driven by navigation buttons located at the bottom of the screen. The output display is driven and displayed on the right side of the screen with navigation buttons at the top of the display. The American Dream Planner is not linear software. Therefore, you don't have to click next, 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 back, back, back in order to go to a particular input. You can go to investments, hop to real property, look to business for care, long-term care, go to life insurance and gifts, look to trusts, in any manner, in any fashion that you wish. The software is very comprehensive. We not only have investments, but additions which are single and recurring events. An unlimited number of income, including trust fund income sources. We have not only ordinary expenses, but discretionary for single year, recurring year, education expenses, long-term care, unlimited installment debt, unlimited business interest which can be sold at any time, real property which includes debt, sale information, and business use, unlimited tax-deferred accounts, unlimited insurance, gifts of cash, business gifts, charitable gifts, and an unlimited number of CRTs or grants. All of these inputs are dynamically linked to the output display. On the output display, there are pie charts enabled when you click this button, from which you can look at any number of charts. When you click in the line charting button tool, you can convert all of our line charts to view. But they can be converted to bar graphs with a click of the mouse. The estate overview bar chart shows all major aspects of wealth for the client. All of our bar and line charts and pie charts can be enlarged, from which you can see the XY axes fully. And then we have tabular data. Tabular data is driven by the first pull-down list, and from which you can then drill down to specific items, for example, the White House. The output display also handles three separately tax codes, with a $1 million exemption amount, a $3.5 million exemption amount, and a $5 million exemption amount. Planning choices can be toggled between with a planning button. So in this case, we have, if we wish to include a planning choice of a bypass trust, and we wish to make a gift to charity of 10% of the estate, it's reflected in the pie chart and our planning choices here. Clicking the No Plan button removes all the choices. Clicking the Plan button restores them all. You can switch the order of who survives, and you can run Monte Carlo. There are several videos that are on our site for specific instructions on how to use all aspects of the software. To show you the dynamic nature, in addition to the tax planning charts, is the line charting tool. As an example, we want to have, the client wants to know if they can increase the size expenses from $40,000 to $55,000 per year. And you notice that the estate investments go negative. To solve this problem, the client can consider selling the real property. In order to solve this problem, which occurs in the year 2022, so we'll have a sale in the year 2022. Property goes away, but the proceeds are put back into the investment account, and now they have a lifestyle that can't actually be maintained. This information can be saved. This can be saved as a scenario, and unlimited number of scenarios can be created. Just as importantly, within the software, you can import and export a client. in any scenario associated with a client to either another professional advisor or between the advisor and the advisor's client. And if you have any questions, we do have other videos to walk you through the use of the features and functions of the software.